In this example, we're going to be writing in index form. We've been asked to write each of the following in index form. So firstly, 6 times x times x times x times x. Now, because we've got one copy of 6 and 4 copies of the pronumeral x, we can simply write this as 6x to the power of 4. For the second example, we have 3/7 times 3/7 times 4/5 times 4/5 times 4/5. And you can see there we have 2 copies of 3/7 and 3 copies of 4/5. So this becomes 3/7 squared times 4/5 to the power of 3, or cubed. Notice we have to put brackets there around our fractions. It wouldn't do to write 3/7 squared, because that would be interpreted as 3 squared over 7. So we don't do that. Finally, we have 8 times a times a times 8 times b times b times a times b. And we can reorder that to bring all the numbers together, all the copies of a together, and all the copies of b together. So we get 8 times 8 times a times a times a times b times b times b. And now it's fairly simple to count out. We've got 2 copies of 8, so that's 8 squared. We've got 3 copies of a, so that's a cubed, and 3 copies of b, so that's b cubed. And now we've written it out in index form.